If your engine is misfiring, hesitating under acceleration, or just not pulling like it used to, there's a good chance your ignition coils are the problem, and here's where most people mess up. They grab the cheapest set they can find, install them, and a few weeks later, the same issues come right back. That's wasted money, wasted time, and a car you still can't rust. In this video, I'm breaking down the top 5 performance ignition coils that actually deliver consistent spark, reliable performance, and long-term value. By the end, you'll know exactly which set fits your engine and your driving style, so you don't have to do this job twice. Quick before we get into it, if you want honest, experience-based automotive reviews that help you avoid buying junk, hit that subscribe button. I've linked the best current deals in the description, and if you're not sure which coils match your vehicle, drop your car model in the comments, I'll help you dial it in. Starting at number 5, the A Premium Engine Ignition Coil Packs. These are built as direct OEM replacements, using high-quality copper windings and a heat-resistant epoxy-filled housing designed to handle engine bay temperatures. The coils feature insulated rubber boots for proper spark transfer and protection against moisture and debris. They're engineered for plug-and-play installation, meaning they match factory connectors and mounting points without modification. Compatibility is broad across multiple vehicle makes, and they're designed to meet or exceed OEM ignition performance standards. In real-world use, these are a solid upgrade over worn-out factory coils, especially if you're dealing with misfires or rough idling. I've installed similar sets on daily drivers, and the difference is immediate smoother idle, better throttle response, and more consistent engine performance. Here's what most people don't realize: even stock engines benefit a lot from fresh, stable spark delivery. These are best for budget-conscious drivers who want reliability without overspending. The only drawback is that they're not built for high-performance or heavily modified engines, but for everyday use, they hold up well. Now, if you want something with a bit more consistency and durability, the next option steps things up. At number 4, the MAS Ignition Coils. These coils are designed with upgraded internal windings and improved insulation materials to deliver a stronger and more stable spark. The housing is built to resist heat and vibration, which is critical in long-term performance, and they're manufactured to meet OEM fitment standards for easy installation. The connectors and boots are reinforced for durability, and the overall construction feels more robust compared to entry-level options. From experience, MAS coils are a dependable mid-range option. I've used coils like these in vehicles that see regular driving and occasional hard acceleration, and they hold their performance over time without early failure. This is what most people overlook: ignition coils aren't just about spark strength, they're about consistency under load. These are great for daily drivers who want a bit more reliability and performance stability. The only minor downside is that they don't offer a noticeable performance boost beyond restoring proper ignition, but that's exactly what most engines need. Now here's where things start getting more serious, especially for multi-cylinder engines. At number 3, the FAERSI set of 8 ignition coil pack. This set is designed for V8 engines, offering a complete replacement solution with coils built using high-conductivity copper windings and durable thermoplastic housings. The design focuses on delivering consistent voltage output across all cylinders, which is critical for balanced engine performance. The boots are designed for tight sealing, reducing the risk of misfires caused by moisture or poor contact. In real-world applications, this kind of full-set replacement makes a big difference. I've worked on V8 engines where only a few coils were replaced, and the performance was still uneven. Swapping the full set like this brings everything back into sync. Here's where this really stands out: balanced ignition across all cylinders means smoother acceleration and better overall engine efficiency. It's ideal for truck owners or performance V8 drivers who want consistency across the board. The only drawback is that installation takes more time since you're replacing multiple coils, but the payoff is worth it. Now, if you want a strong combination of value, performance, and reliability in a complete set, the next option is hard to ignore. At number 2, the POCYBER set of 6 ignition coils. These coils are designed for V6 engines, featuring high energy output with improved winding design and heat-resistant construction. The materials are built to withstand high engine temperatures, and the connectors are designed for secure, stable electrical contact. The set is engineered for direct replacement, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of vehicles without modification. In real-world use, these coils deliver strong, consistent ignition performance across all cylinders. I've seen setups like this restore engines that were struggling with hesitation and poor fuel economy, and the improvement is noticeable almost immediately. This is what most people don't realize: proper ignition timing and spark strength directly affect fuel efficiency and throttle response. These are perfect for drivers who want a reliable full-set replacement without stepping into premium pricing. The only minor downside is that long-term durability can vary depending on driving conditions, but for the price, they offer excellent value. And finally, at number 1, the ENA set of 8 curved boot ignition coil pack. This is a premium level set designed for performance and durability. The coils feature advanced winding technology for higher energy output, along with a curved boot design that improves fitment and reduces stress on the connection points. The housing is built from high-grade materials that resist heat, vibration, and electrical breakdown, ensuring long-term reliability even under demanding conditions. In real-world performance, this is one of the most reliable and well-balanced coil sets you can install. I've used high-quality sets like this on performance builds and daily drivers alike, and the consistency is what stands out. No random misfires, no weak cylinders, just smooth, strong ignition across the board. Here's the key difference: better design means better durability over time, not just initial performance. These are ideal for V8 owners, performance enthusiasts, or anyone who wants to install a set and not worry about it again anytime soon. The only drawback is the higher upfront cost, but considering the performance and reliability, it's a smart investment. So here's the bottom line. If you're on a budget and just need a reliable fix, A Premium gets the job done. MAS offers better durability for everyday driving. FAERSI is a great choice for full V8 replacements with balanced performance. POCYBER delivers strong value for V6 engines. And ENA takes the top spot with premium build quality, consistent performance, and long-term reliability. At the end of the day, ignition coils aren't just another part, they're critical to how your engine runs. Get them wrong, and you'll feel it every time you hit the gas. Get them right, and your engine comes back to life. If you found this helpful, make sure you subscribe for more real-world automotive reviews. Check the description for the latest deals on these ignition coils and drop your vehicle details in the comments. I'll help you pick the exact set you need.